Let me have a look at your ID, please.
Of course. There you go, officer.
Pat down. I'm going to proceed with a frisk. You're under arrest. I will now cuff you.
I won't say anything before I've talked to my lawyer.
I'd like to see your ID, please.
Of course, officer. Here's my ID.
Please cooperate for a search procedure. Your ID, please.
Here you go, officer.
I have to arrest you for carrying a fake ID.
What?
I need to do a search on you to see if you're carrying anything illegal. You're being arrested for carrying a gun without a valid permit.
Please. No.
Let me see your ID, please.
Sure, officer. Here you go.
I have to arrest you for carrying a stolen ID. It's against the law.